I stand before you today to plead with the court to deny bail for Rick Chow.
A former gas station owner accused of killing a 14-year-old going before a judge for a second bond hearing today as the boy's family continues their fight for justice.
Rick Chow is accused of chasing Cyrus Carmack Belton from his gas station and convenience store on Park Lane Road in May of 2023, then shooting him in the back. Chow appeared in court today to ask for bond a second time after a judge initially denied his bond on the murder charge almost 2 years ago.
Our Nick Neville has been following this case since the initial days of the shooting, and he was back in the courtroom for today's hearing. Nick, we should say up front, no decision on bond today, but a lot of dramatic developments in the courtroom.
Absolutely, Judy and Hannah. So the judge said that he would review that transcript from the initial bond hearing and likely make a decision by the end of the week. We're also hearing from Carmack Belton's family directly for the first time tonight. His mother, Nicole, in urging the judge to keep Chow locked up, says that he shattered their family.
He was shot in the back, an act of cowardice and cruelty that no parent should ever have to endure.
More than 2 years after her son Cyrus Carmack Belton's murder, Nicole Carmack stood before a packed Richland County courtroom and pleaded to keep her son's accused killer behind bars. Rick Chow seeking bond again on the murder charge. Prosecutors say he chased the 14-year-old from his convenience store after falsely accusing him of stealing bottled water and shot him.
You run a child down. You run a child down because of water.
He had a future, and in a single heartless moment of racial profiling and false accusations of theft, led Rick Chow to take his freedom.
Chow's defense team says there's been a change in circumstances. They say DNA evidence ties Carmack Belton to the gun that was found near his body.
Not one person, not the state or any witness, has gotten up here and explained what a 14-year-old was doing with a pistol, a loaded pistol.
Chow's attorneys say that he should be out on bond to make it easier to meet with them as they prepare for trial. Prosecutors say he could easily be moved to a nearby jail. Plus, they say he's a danger to the community, a flight risk, and the facts have not significantly changed since that initial bond denial.
We're talking about answering questions about why a 14-year-old had a loaded pistol. Well, I think the big question is why is a 54-year-old man and his son, 19-year-old son, chasing a person who didn't steal anything 130 yards down the road with a pistol on his hip?
Addressing the court, Nicole Carmack said her son was not just a number. He was a bright, kind, funny boy. Chow's actions, she argued, showed no regard for human life.
A person capable of such violence does not deserve the opportunity to walk free, not even temporarily.
Prosecutors say that a pretrial hearing has been scheduled for November. Nick Neville, WIS News 10.